Hello, my beautiful fly babies, my patrons. I'm going to do our Patreon in review for the week of the 13th through the 18th. And I want you to know that if you have something that you want me to make a video for you about, then make sure you put a note on the Patreon channel and I will do my very best to make that video for you. So here are the ones that I made last week. The first one is, I see you and I have a plan for you. What's the plan? Okay. The second one is kids after dinner routine, where I talk to your children. The third is enjoying the process. Enjoying the process of keeping your home. On Thursday it was national, no it wasn't. It was natural consequences and respect. Natural consequences and respect. And on Friday it was the ta-da list. And the ta-da list was a request from Tammy. Okay, so that's what the Patreon in review is for last week. If you're a patron and you haven't watched any of those or some of those videos, that's a reminder. If you're not a patron, please come on over. I'll be happy to have you as part of this more intimate group, no advertising, and you can make a request and I'll do my best to make a video for you. Now, I won't make every single request because some things I just don't make videos on. Budget, for example. I haven't made some in the past, but that's not one I want to revisit. But if it's something about the Flylady system or how to keep your home, I will be happy to make a video for you or revisit something that you would like a refresher on. All right, remember that's $5 a month. That's 25 cents per video if you're only getting 20, and some months you get more. We're also trying to do live occasionally on there. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.